On the 7th floor of an old office building, there's an elevator no one trusts anymore because of what it did one night. Security cameras caught a man stepping inside at exactly 2:13 a.m. The doors closed and the elevator started moving. Floor after floor, it kept going, 6, 5, 4, 3. But something was wrong. On every floor, the camera showed the elevator doors opening, and the cabin was empty for just a fraction of a second before closing again. No one ever saw him step out. The elevator continued all the way down to the basement and then back up again, over and over. When security finally forced the doors open, the elevator was still running, but there was no one inside. The man was gone without ever leaving the building. So tell me, if he never stepped out, where did he go?